Hello everyone, guys, this is again a question which is based on Euclid division lemma, and this is basically the question number 4 of exercise 1.1 CBSE maths. So the question states that use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either in the form of 3m or 3m plus for some integer m. So what's our Euclid division lemma? According to Euclid division lemma, Euclid's division lemma states that it states that a is equals to bq plus r, and where r must be greater than equals to 0 and less than b. Okay, so this is the condition. According to the question here, b will be, a is a positive integer, okay, a is a positive integer, okay, and b will be what? And b will be what? 3. Clear? According to the question. Now r will be, what will be r? R may be 0, r may be 1, or r may be 2. Clear it is? Because b से कम होना चाहिए, so b से कम यानी 3 से कम होना चाहिए, 0 और 3 से कम, तो 0 होगा, 1 होगा and 2 होगा. Clear है ये बात? Okay, now I am taking the first case of it and going to solve it. The first case in which I am taking r is equals to 0. So what will happen? A will be equals to 3q. Okay, first case, I am taking the first case, case 1, in which r is equals to 0. So a will be 3q plus 0 according to lemma. So it will be equals to basically 3q. And now we have to square of any positive integer. We have to do square of it. So what we will do? We will do squaring both sides. Squaring both side. I'm doing squaring both side. Okay, now according to the squaring, what we get here, a square will be equals to, square of 3 will be what? 9. Okay, so it will be 9q square, but I can write it in this form like 3 and in the bracket 3q square, and here this become any constant k, m, whatever. So I'm writing it in this form. I'm writing here it is equals to 3 and this is considered as m, so I'm writing here m or k. I'm writing here k. Okay, so either in the form of 3m for some integer, so it may be 3k or it may be 3m. Okay, so we can say it is a multiple of 3m. Here m is some integer. Clear? Now I'm taking the next case where r is equals to 1. Now come to the next case. Here case number 2 I am taking, in which r is equals to 1. When r will equals to 1, what will be? A is equals to 3q plus 1. Okay, so when we do square both sides, squaring both side. Okay, we will do squaring both sides. So what will happen here? A square is equals to 3q plus 1 whole square. Okay. Okay, now do you know the identity? The identity states that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I will use this identity. Okay, so I will write here. Again, the step will be a square, and the identity, from the identity it will be 3q whole square plus 2 into 3q into 1 plus 1 square. So a square will be 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Okay, so I am taking here 3 as a common, so it will become 3. In the bracket it will become 3q square plus 2q, okay, plus 1. Here again, this can be a constant, this can be any integer. I can write it in the form of m. So yeah, we can write it again in this form, 3m plus 1. Okay, Yeah, so we get 3m plus 1. So again, okay, here a square is equals to. Now come to the case number 3. Okay, so it is case 3 in which r is equals to what? 2. So a will be 3q plus 2. Similarly, we will do the squaring both side. And we will write again the identity. In the examination, you have to write the identity, so it will be good and you will get good marks in the question. Okay, so now we will, according to the identity, we will solve it. It will be a square is equals to 3q whole square plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 2 square. So it will become 9q square plus 6 to the 12q, okay, plus 4. Clear? So again I will write in this form. Again I will take the 3 as a common. So here I am taking 3 as a common. It will become 3q square plus 6q. Okay, okay, yeah, okay, okay, and this will be again what? 4. Okay. So guys, here we can say, if we will take it as a 3 plus 1, okay, so I can take as a common again 3. So here what will happen? 3q square plus 6q plus it will be what? 3 plus 1, right? Okay, 3 is 3 plus 1. Yeah, okay, so again we can take 3 as a common in this, and here it will become 3 plus 1. Okay, so yeah, we again get 3m plus 1. Okay, so here we will take 3, again it will equals to m some integer plus 1. So from this way you can write, you can say that a square will always get in the form, or we can say the square of any positive integer will always get in this form. So you have to write, so we can say square of any integer will be in form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Okay guys, if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Bye bye.